Hang on, I'll come out.
Here. Just pedal that oar.
Come here. Hey, come here.
You just use one of them.
Keep her in the, keep it there. Leave it like that. Keep her.
Oh, you're on the way. You're on the way.
Go on, pedal. Put it in the water and go like that.
It's not working, it's gonna keep coming out.
Hang on.
Don't lift it so hard out of the water, you're going to...
Dad, you're gonna sink.
Leave that one lay right where it's laid. Hey,
Good job.
leave that one alone.
It's gonna be over your head though.
Now use the other one.
You worried about me?
Yes.
Well, if I drown, goddammit. You getting that on film?
Yes. There's a life jacket over there.
Put in the water and push. Put in the water and push. Put in the water
There's one.
You gotta get him every once in a while. Point it at him every once in a while. Quick.
All right, now do the other one the same way.
Don't move it.
Now, put it in the water back here, back of you, then pull on it.
Taper again.
You keep twisting back and forth, okay?
Water a little bit.
Here, hold it.
You're going the wrong way again.
I can't help it.
Pull it, or otherwise I'll let you go over to the other side. And then I'll have to... Now take both oars like this.
Here, put your hand in there. Now you get him.
Pull,
Hold it steady.
just like that.
Go back. Go back. You're gonna be a photographer. There you go.
Put it in the boat.
There you go.
Now, take the oar like this. Hey,
Get him.
take the oar like this.
Get him on. Get him
Misha!
right there. Just like that. Keep him in a picture all the time.
Take the oar like this and go on the side of the boat. Take it all the way out.
We'll get her.
Take it all the way out. Lift it out of the hole. Now put it on the side of the boat and pull it. Put it in the water.
Get him.
The handle.
Quick, get him.
I'm trying.
Up you, or you put it back inside the boat. Now paddle it. The other way. From the front of the boat to the back of the boat. Keep paddling.
Get him. Hold it
Yes,
still.
like that.
That's what you do when you inbreed. You know what America's most
All
funniest
right,
video
now
is?
do the same thing with that oar on the other side of the boat. Now put it on the other side of the boat and do the same thing. From the front of the boat to the back. Come on, keep going. Push.
What the heck, Lee?
She's getting farther.
All right.
I'm glad this ain't the Atlantic Ocean.
What?
I'm glad this ain't the ocean.
Yeah.
Keep it still, because people don't like shaky video.
Come on. Up. Push it more. You had it doing it right.
Get him, son.
Now keep doing it.
Now you gotta film the people way up on the mountain up there.
Keep doing it.
What?
All right. Now take that oar and set
There's
it
no
on
people
the
on the
other side
mountain.
of the boat.
See him look.
See what you're doing there? Now use that
Look
same
it.
one.
Look it.
Oh, God.
These people are saying these bitches crazy.
Oh,
Put it on the right side.
Yeah.
And go from
Yeah.
the front of the boat to the back of the boat. Front, yeah, that's the front.
Like that.
Yeah. Now push
you
it.
stay out there, you're gonna have to poop on the boat.
All right, now do the same thing on the other side.
Yep, you're coming in.
Do it on the other side.
Other side, yep. No, the other way.
The other way.
The other way. Whatever, you...
turn the other way now.
Come on. Now do it on the other side. Do that on the other side. From the back of the boat to the front. Now, from the back to the front. Pull it from the back to the front. That's the front of the boat. All right, now put it on the other side and do the same thing. From the back of the boat to the front. There.
This is
Now
why
do it
people
to the
shouldn't
other side.
inbreed.
Go on the other side. From the back of the boat to the front.
Now these people over here are having a good old drunken time.
What?
Keep going.
You're getting her. You're getting it. You're coming in close enough to where I can come get you.
Paddle it. All right, now do the other side. You don't have to keep changing oars.
Just do what works.
Paddle it. Come on, paddle it.
Come on, my girl, we can do better.
Hey,
Come on. Come on. Come on. Now put it on this other side. There.
you getting it.
On the other side. Same thing on the other side.
Now you got it.
Same thing on the other side. Now wait. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, come over this side.
Hey, how do you think I felt going halfway across the lake? It's a nightmare. Because it wasn't doing that.